Hi friends, if you were planning to come to the United States on an au pair program for foreign nannies, or if you were planning on hiring a nanny like that, you may want to reconsider your choices and find a backup plan. The United States government is proposing new regulations that sufficiently are going to kill the au pair program. The problem is this: the au pair program is appealing to Americans or green card holders and citizens who reside in America, who are the host families, because it allows them to save money on the child care, and it's appealing to foreign boys and girls who would like to come to the United States so that they will experience the United States culture and basically for a while become a part of that American family. But the United States government decided that to avoid labor abuse, they have to make this program more akin to a labor program where foreign nannies will have to be paid minimum, at least minimum, state-imposed wages, and the families can deduct the cost of the meals and living expenses, but this deduction cannot be more than federal rules allows for deduction, which is a teeny tiny fraction of the real cost of the living and food that someone will incur if they are hosting a foreigner in their home. In addition to that, the proposed regulations impose harsher reporting requirements. They also limit the hours that foreign nannies may be working. Everything will have to be in writing to the T, and if a host family would forget to put some sort of a task in the writing, then the foreign nanny does not have to perform this task. Let's say you forget to put in your contract that the foreign nanny should wash the floors where the babies are or clean the floors, then the nanny doesn't have to do that. So what's happening is that the program becomes overregulated, more regulated than the domestic labor. So if the program is overregulated and you say you are a host in the United States and you know that you have to comply with a criminal background check now, reporting requirements, very rigid written contract rules, and you have to watch out carefully for that hourly rate to be paid to your nanny, why would you want to go through this headache? There is no meaning in all that, because you can hire a domestic worker within the United States for the same money and less. For example, the regulations say that a foreign nanny now can be a part-time or can be a full-time worker, and a full-time worker is somebody who works up to 40 hours, when part-time is somebody who works 31 hours and less. But if the nanny worked less than 31 hours, you still have to pay her salaries for 31 hours. So what happens is that it doesn't make any sense. And of course, as a host, if you are trying to save money and that's why you decided to go with this program, you probably will be turned off by these new proposals. Remember that these proposed regulations are not the law yet. They may never become the law. However, if this is something that is of interest to you, if you are, again, an au pair, or if you are a family that is trying to have an au pair, just make sure to follow the news and know what to expect.